Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and you have to search for YouTube to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. My one is up to date, so I'll now open the YouTube app. Now tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to Settings. Then go to General. Now tap on Appearance. Now select Dark Theme. And that's how you can enable dark mode on your YouTube app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.